Hey, this is Brad Gill at NextHome Lifestyles. Welcome back to another market update for the city of San Jose. Before we jump into the numbers and the stats, just wanted to mention from the front lines, we hosted a couple open houses this weekend and open house traffic is back. So buyers are out in force. We had about 30 plus groups through each day of the open house. So when you're out there looking or considering getting into the market, just know there's a lot of people that are beginning to search for homes again this year, and they're coming out early. So now let's get into it. Current active numbers for the third week of January, 468 total units available for sale. That's single family homes, condominiums, and townhouses. We're up 6% from the week before. We have 217 units pending, up 4% from the week before. But the real news is the number of new listings over the past week. We have a 27% increase week over week, and we'll probably continue to see that number continue to build as we head into March, April, which is about the peak time for sellers wanting to bring their homes to the market. Demand trend up 50%. So 52 units went pending under contract over the last 7 days, up from 34 the week before. Market expectations. We had 25 listings that came off market, were canceled, expired. 25 is not a lot considering we had roughly 40 to 50 per week in 2022. This time of year, those numbers shouldn't be that high, so that'll probably stay pretty low. Price changes, 29% of the inventory underwent a price change over the last week, in line with the week before of about 30%. So that 30% of inventory going through a price change, it shows it's a pretty balanced market when it comes to pricing and what buyers are accepting as the right price. Otherwise, mortgage rates continue to fall. This week we're down to 6.33% from almost 6.5 the week before. So we're down almost 3/4 percentage point from the peak back in November. And all the forecasts show that as each month new economic data comes out, looks like inflation is cooling. So we can expect interest rates to continue their trend downward by at least 1/4, if not even up to 0.5% over the next 30 to 45 days. Either way, if you're planning to get into the market, either to purchase or to sell, make sure you give your real estate professional a call and guys come up with a strategy. We're still not out of the woods as far as last year is concerned, but the market conditions definitely look a little stronger now than they did just 30 days ago. I'm Brad Gill with NextHome Lifestyles. Hope you enjoyed this market update. Hope you'll catch it next week as well.